The Supreme Court on January 5th denied bail to Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam in the Delhi riots larger conspiracy case under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. It said the prosecution material disclosed a prima facie case against them. At the same time, the court granted bail to 5 other accused: Gulfisha Fatima, Miran Haider, Shifa ur Rahman, Mohammad Salim Khan, and Shadab Ahmed. It imposed strict conditions and warned that any violation would lead to the cancellation of bail. During the hearing, Imam had said he was being branded a terrorist without trial and that his arrest came before the riots. Khalid had said he was not in Delhi during the violence and that his detention amounted to punishment for protesting. A bench of Justices Arvind Kumar and N.V. Anjaria said Khalid and Imam had a central role in the alleged conspiracy. It said the material showed planning and mobilization that went beyond local or isolated acts. The statutory bar on bail under Section 43D(5) of the UAPA was therefore retracted. The court said the two could seek bail again after protected witnesses are examined or after 1 year. It also asked the trial court to speed up the proceedings. Justice Kumar said the delay in UAPA trials does not automatically override statutory safeguards. He added that courts must still examine whether a prima facie case exists against each accused. The bench stressed that bail under the UAPA must be decided individually. It said all the accused do not stand on the same footing. A collective approach could lead to unjustified pre-trial detention. The court also said terrorist acts under the UAPA are not limited to direct violence. It noted that disruption of services or threats to the economy are also covered. The police challenged a September 2nd Delhi High Court order denying bail. Khalid and Imam have been in custody for over 5 years in connection with the February 2020 Delhi riots linked to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act.